Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to test the temperature sensor on your Samsung refrigerator. Let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is remove the temperature sensor from the refrigerator. That way you can control the temperature for testing. You can check out our other videos that show how to do this. The first thing that you're going to want to do is visually inspect the temperature sensor. If you see any cracks, breaks in the wires, or signs of corrosion, you're going to want to replace the sensor. In most cases, all of the temperature sensors within a Samsung refrigerator will have the same ohm value, but the length of the wires, the color, and the electrical plugs can vary. For testing the temperature sensor, you'll need an ohm meter or multimeter that can measure at least 20,000 ohms. Samsung commonly uses the same ohm values shown in this chart, but check your specific model to make sure they do not vary. We recommend testing the temperature sensor at 2 different temperature levels, one at room temperature and one in a glass of ice water. If you have an auto ranging multimeter, turn it to the ohm setting. If you have a manual ranging multimeter, turn it to the 20K or 40K setting. You cannot do a continuity test to test the temperature sensor. To test the temperature sensor, touch each of the 2 probes to each of the 2 wires of the temperature sensor. Our room temperature is approximately 75 to 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Our ohm reading is within range with the values provided by Samsung. Next, insert your temperature sensor into a glass of ice water and give it a couple of minutes to cool down. With our cup of ice water just above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, our sensor tested good at approximately 13,000 ohms. If you find that you have a bad temperature sensor and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you search with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.